to be here, Tully. Nice to be here with my Ghost of Christmas Future over there. It's awesome. It's a good time. What's your name? Plaid shirt. Seth, nice to meet you. What's your name? Matt. Seth and Matt. Good white guy names. Oh yeah. What do you guys do? What blue collar job do you do? Truck driver. Truck driver. F yeah. Both of you? Hell yeah. Mac? Peterbilt? Freightliner. F that. Sorry guys. I only know two. Okay. That's cool. How long have you been driving trucks? 8 years. Matt? 18. Whoa. Okay, man. Okay. Hit a couple people. Lucky so far. Hell yeah. That's cool, man. I don't know. Is this your girl? Is that your girl? No. Okay. Do you have a girl, Matt? Seth? No. It's just Matt. Just keeping each other warm on the road. What's wrong with a little brotherly love, fellas? No, I'm all right. Are you out seeing people? Sure. That was a weird answer. All right, Seth, calm down. Couple less bruises. So, are you on the app, Seth? No, sir. Ooh, sir, I like that, Seth. Might have to drive me home. How do you meet women then, Seth? Out and about. Just driving around. Just cruising. Just. That's cool. Where did you guys meet? Out and about? No, not you, Seth. Matt. Matt and his woman. Video store. Yeah, that dates us. Yes. Yeah, you're old, man. Jesus. A video like a Blockbuster? Or like more like... Yeah. I've been to Bada Bing, I know. That's cool. No, I was cruising. Seth, do you have any pets? Yeah. What do you got? Two bulldogs. That makes sense, Seth. I'm gonna be honest. That really checks out. Dogs look like that. What are their names? Matt? Chopper and Ellie? What happened to Chopper? Why couldn't he get a normal name like Ellie? He's a monster. That's nice. I had cats growing up.